due tomorrow?
Okay.
When's our Unit 2 test? Monday. We've done a lot of things in this unit. We talked about our different learning goals. I wrote down everything we talked about yesterday. Who wants to read me the 9 learning goals that we came up with, or that we've done in this unit? Jaden.
Number 1.
Yeah, read number 1.
I can multiply 2 digits by 1-digit numbers.
Beautiful. Who can read number 2? Bryce.
I can multiply 3 digits by 1-digit numbers.
Beautiful. 3, Kylie.
I can multiply 4 digits by 1-digit numbers.
4, Landon.
I can multiply 2 digits by 2-digit numbers.
5, Zaylee.
I can estimate and round different multiplication problems.
6, Zach.
I can identify and complete multi-step multiplication workbooks.
7, Elias.
I can multiply using the place value area model.
8, Lily.
I can multiply using the expanded form model.
And 9, Angelina.
I can multiply using the bow-tie/old school model.
Do we all agree? Show me a fist of 4. Do we all agree we've done every one of those things in Unit 2? Go. Beautiful. Now, we are not all 4s on those learning goals. What you're going to do is you are going to get a Post-it note out.
Or get one from Miss Sister's dad. Hey guys, you guys need to stick it out.
If you need some sticky notes, Dwayne and Zayla will pass a couple out.
Raise your hand if you need a sticky note. Raise your hand if you need a sticky note. Just take it.
Give me about 10 seconds.
Raise your hand if you need a sticky note.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, eyeballs. What you're going to do,
Emily, sticking up right here.
it's fine. Come on, Emily, back. No. You are going to write at least 1. What does at least mean?
What?
Can you write 2?
Yeah.
Can you write 3?
Yeah.
Can you write 9?
No.
You're going to write down at least one of those learning goals that you need extra practice on. Don't start yet. After you do that, you're going to put them on our jot lot. Yes.
What if you need help with something that's kind of not up there, but I need help with 3-digit by double digit.
I have that right there. So some of you, we did kind of do some extra critical thinking, which we did some 3-digit by 2-digit. That was technically not one of our learning goals, but some of you have been working on that, and I do have some stuff. So, okay. So some of you, if you want, you can put 10 3-digit by 2-digit. You need to write down at least one of those things, one of those learning goals that you want to work on. Put it on our jot lot on the back round table. There are several different worksheets that, guess what? Talk about each one of those learning goals. Yes, Ailey.
You write down like the number, or like.
You can write down the number. You can write down the actual learning goal, whatever you think is best.
Wait, and then can we go put our notes on?
Hold on. After you post it, you're going to come to the back table. You're going to grab a worksheet that you need to practice. What I will tell you is, as a 4th grade, as an average 4th grade class, what do we already know that we need to work on? Multiplication word problems. So, knowing that, I have a couple different ones for multiplication word problems. I have some 2-digit by 1-digit. I got 2-digit by 2-digit. 3-digit by 1-digit. 4-digit by 1-digit. And there should only be a handful, and by handful I mean by 5, that are working on 3-digit by 2-digit. You're going to be working on that. I'm going to call a couple people to the back table. I'm going to be coming around, looking, okay? When, for this, you can use your desks and just copy onto the worksheet so I can see what you're doing. Are there any questions? Show me a fist of 4. I understand what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, so, go, sorry. Student numbers 1 through 5, go post them on the jot lot. Yes. 6 through 10, go. Once you pose, you come grab a sheet.
Who's 1 and 4?
What?
And you gotta go put yours up there. I didn't do it.
That's fine. That's fine. Take your time. What are we at? 10 through 15? Oh, sorry, 11 through 15. Post it on the jot lot. Remember, when we're doing stuff, it is important to show your work. Avery and I had a great discussion yesterday about showing your work in a conference, right? 16 through 20, go. Can you? Put that on your lot? That's what the goal you needed. Now, I just heard somebody ask, can I do more than one? Of course. Just call my name.
Hola. Hola, Masa.
20 through 27, go. If your goal was 3-digit by 2-digit, so it'd be number 10, I want you to kind of work together as a group, okay?
Can we work at the back table?
I want you to put everything first. I want you to practice the bow tie, because I know we're ready to do it. Yes. Does that count? Okay, does anybody have any questions? What? Okay. Okay. What?
Well, I needed the only time I needed was back on that color.
Okay. You're gonna want to get 2-digit by 2-digit.
I didn't read about 3 digits. And when you get there, you go back.
I want you to take Okay, coming around. Nope. I got my 3-digit by 2-digit. I like how Maddie's got her marker out and showing the work.
Are you supposed to do it?
What?
Are you supposed to do it?
Are you supposed to do it?
Right now?
Well, yeah.
You want me to work on that?
Yes. But I want you to do it.
I messed up.
Okay, I want you to do it pretty much. I want you to do it pretty much. Okay? Here.
I just like got a bunch of
Yes. Use the compass. Should be on that table. Oh. So Sydney just brought up a good point on some of the word problems. She's like, oh, it doesn't have 2 numbers. What did you notice, Sydney? Some of those numbers are written in word form. Do a couple more, then I'll check.
Mr. Stern, can you come check this?
Don't forget, what should we have there? If you have your multiplication table, you can use it. No, you're calculating, showing your